Hey guitar enthusiast, Lauren Bateman here. In this play along lesson, we're going to be doing Stand By Me by Benny King in the key of G. So don't worry about the key thing. All that means is we're going to be using the chords G, E minor, C, and D. So if you know my 2-finger chord versions, you can go right ahead and use those. So that means we're going to be using a capo on the 2nd fret of our guitar for this play along. Now this is a play along lesson. It's not the actual lesson. If you need the actual lesson, I'll put a link up here and in the description below so you guys can go check that out. So what I do in these play along sections is the first time I play this song through beginning to end, very simple strumming pattern. And then the second time through, I play it with a little bit more of an intricate pattern. So let's start with the simple version first. So if you need the chords and lyrics to follow along to, go to laurenbateman.com. Okay, you can pull up the chart there and keep this video on the side and play along with me. So all we're going to do for this very simple one is 4 down strums. 4 down strums per chord. If you're an absolute beginner, you can do 1 strum per chord. Play at your level, whatever that is. All right, putting my glasses on so that I can read the lyrics and see the chords over here. So let's get started. I will count us in. 1, 2, 3, 4. G to E minor. To C. D. Back to G. When the night has come and the land is dark and the moon is the only light we'll see, no, I won't be afraid. No, I won't be afraid. Just as long as you stand by me. So darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Oh, stand by me, stand by me. If the sea we look upon should tumble and fall, and the mountain should crumble into the sea, I won't cry, I won't cry, no, I won't shed a tear. Just as long as you stand by me. Now we got an interlude, ready? G, E minor, to C, to D, back to G. Then we just repeat that all over again. G, E minor, C, D, G. So darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. And there you go. That is the easy way to play this song. So I'm going to spice it up a little bit on the second time through. I'm going to do a little bit more of a syncopated strumming pattern. I'm going to be doing down, down, up, up, down, down, up, down, up, which is 1, 2, and 4, and 1, 2, and 4, and. All right, now pick up the speed just a little bit on the second time through. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Intro. To E minor. To C. To D. Back to G. When the night has come and the land is dark and the moon is the only light we see, now I won't be afraid, no I won't be afraid, just as long as you stand by me. So darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Stand by me. If the sea we look upon should tumble and fall, or the mountain should crumble into the sea, I won't cry, no I won't shed a tear, just as long as you stand by me. Now here's that interlude again. Ready? Double G. To E minor. To C. To D. To double G. And then we do it all again. Ready? Here it is. G. E minor. C to D to G. Little darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Stand by me. So there you go. Play along with this video as many times as you need to. And if you like these play-alongs, make sure to give me a thumbs up so that I know to do more of them. YouTube's going to pop up a couple more videos over there. Go check those out, and I hope to see you guys in another lesson video very soon.